2003 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax on this one, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual miles. 44,738 is all on the odometer right now. Tried and true 3,800 underneath the hood. Paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at this front fascia. Nice shape, headlights good and clear. I did notice one little touch-up spot right here. Otherwise the paint showing very well. On this one you can barely see that. Victory red, ebony interior. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Monte Carlo wheels. Bridgestone radial tires. You'll also be able to see a copy of the window sticker on this car and with the still pictures. Does have the optional sunroof, leather bucket seats, AM, FM, CD cassette stereo system, and we will get around to that driver's side, start it up, check it out on the interior, take a peek underneath the hood. But first, let's look down this passenger side. You can see really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches over here. Interior also in nice shape. Again, those leather bucket seats, center console. This does have an aftermarket Alpine stereo system that was added to it, more modern stereo. Still comes with the stock one, and that'll be in a box with bubble wrap right there. We'll send that along with the car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A little bit of a touch-up on the rear bumper there also. And once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. We picture this car up just like any of our other ones. Undersides, interior, trunk, engine bay, every angle of the car, close-ups. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like Monte Carlos, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online or right up our showroom floor. As you can see, the driver's side also looks good. Paint looks wet. I do want to show you one spot that I did notice. It's a little tough to see, but there's a little bit of a dinger right there, if I can get them to stand out. Again, pretty minute. There you go. Something a PDR person may be able to get rid of pretty easily if you would feel the need to do that. PDR, paintless depth removal, in case you're wondering. All right, interior. So your modern amenities: power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power seat over here on the driver's side. And you can see seating surfaces, leather, really free of much wear at all, kind of what you'd expect with a car with lower miles on it. Nice condition. Cruise control, of course, tilt column, fog lights on this one, and again that aftermarket Alpine stereo system, more modern, and then dual climate control also. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Let me close that door. All right, so there's the exact miles, 44,738. Gauge is working, just the seatbelt warning indicator since I don't have that on. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Something I also want to note on this one and show you. So if you look at the stereo, it is on, obviously. Now I have a volume button right here. Even though it is aftermarket stereo, that steering wheel control button still works, just to let you know. There's mute. Let's back off. Mode to change between FM and AM.
Would require college.
Bluetooth. So you have some more modern abilities with that Alpine, and that steering wheel control still works. All right, there's your dual climate control. Dash looking good. We have a little driver's information center up here that'll tell you your range, miles per gallon, and that's not flashing in person. That's due to the phase of the camera. If I stick my finger up there, I seem to straighten it out, but that is working just fine. Of course, power sunroof, And that is also vented, and then you can slide it all the way back. I'll open it and show you. Get outside the car. All right. Let's listen. Sounds like a stock 2003 Monte Carlo SS to me. Let's go ahead and pop this hood. I think I might be able to get this open one-handed here. Maybe, maybe not. All right, here we go. All right, there we go. There's that tried and true. A lot of people wonder why GM quit making it. 3.8 liter, 3800 you hear it called. Very reliable, economical engine. This one here, nice and clean and tidy. Underneath the hood. Smooth runner, no doubt about that. Looking for a reliable car without breaking the bank. One to drive every day, or maybe one to just drive on weekends, take to shows. Hey, it's up to you. It's a nice car. 2003 Chevy Monte Carlo SS. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. 44,738 miles. Call us. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2003 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, looking practically like brand new. The inside is amazingly flawless from my eye. We have an Alpine stereo in the dash. And a little bit of traffic I'm waiting for. Now everything appears to be working well. I do have the heat on a little bit right now, as it's chilly in Minnesota. Very good throttle response. It feels like a new Monte Carlo. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Gets up to speed quickly and easily. Our volt gauge is good, showing that we are charging over 14 volts. The oil pressure almost 3/4 of the way up. Fuel gauge working, showing a half a tank. The temperature is just coming up to 140. We have all our modern amenities from 2003. Controls on the steering wheel. And honestly, one of Chevy's most reliable engines ever made. Wouldn't you say? What is the more reliable engine? The small block or the 3800? They're both pretty good. Brakes are working nicely. Corners very well. Power steering working really well. And again, throttle response good. Very nice condition. If you're looking for one that's practically like new, check out this Monte Carlo at UniqueClassicCars.com.